We have 2nd May 2017. Smoke too much. Go away. We're planning today doing nucleus. 5 frames for sale. This nucleus must be stay in like this box. Inside will be 5 frames go only. How we'll be doing? We'll be put 1 frames honey and bee pollen. 4 frames open brood and closed brood, and queen 2 inside. For this, what we doing? First steps we doing from this family. Take out. We have three story. 1 story take out. Temporary. Second story take out. Right now smoker use little bit because honeybees little bit ugly. Everybody take honey and no put stinger for your body. Everybody happy, me happy, this not happy. Too much smoke. Okay, first steps, pick up 1 frames and take out. This frames not needed. Temporary put out. Second step, looking brood or honey. If we have 1 frames honey, we put inside this little bit honey, maybe more something, or this. This brood, we have brood, 1 frames brood, open and close it. This frames brood we'll put young bees coming out, and eggs inside. Put first frames brood. Looks next. A second frames brood. Bees go around inside worms. I don't see queen. Put right here 2 frames. Looks next one. Somebody told honeybees. Do you want put stinger for me? I'm not like it. Everybody not like it. Looks right here. I don't see queen. I don't see eggs. Bee pollen. Check again. Oh, too much eggs. It's good. Eggs no needed for sale. Eggs leave for me. Again, brood. brood, bees, worm, family okay. And number 3 frames. I don't see queen, maybe late. And here queen, she black, like this. Like this queen. Better looks. Right here. She right here. Okay? Go put inside. She stay this side. Right here. Okay. 4 broods ready. And bees. Need looks 1 and honey. This honey. Okay, honey, 5 broods, 4 broods, and put between empty frames, put between. For next 5 days, she queen will be put lay down eggs. After 5 days, these frames will be good for doing queen cell, because 3-day eggs, 2-day worms, and after 4 or 5 days, this is worms better for doing new queen, because she will be stay 2nd floor, and 3rd floor we don't have queen. 1st floor no good worms for doing new queen, because if buyer come in, I'm take out this empty frames and eggs, put for 3rd floor, and another 5 frames give for buyer. Right now doing 2nd floor more frames, and 3rd floor more frames. Doing complete set. Excluded. Oh, like it. For first floor, put queen excluder. Put second floor, right here queen and nest. This side we have 5 frames from first floor. Couple of frames or 3 frames brood, eggs, and closed brood no matter, and the honey. Second floor we have honey, 1 frames, 2 frames brood, closed, open, between stay frames empty, comb, again open and close it, and more fill it, different frames. Buyer come in after 5 days. I am open like this, pick up 1 frames, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 frames give for him. Eggs not give for him. Give for him worm and brood closet, because for buyer need more bees natural, don't have time. He must give for first moment, because the second floor not too many bees who is fly, and honey bees stay 18 day inside family. This is a worker who is working inside family like babysitter, and young bees come in about 12 days. If, for example, if today closed brood, after 12 days all brood open and bees go outside. And he to buy this brood, maybe this brood right now closed, maybe after 5 days this brood coming out. Family double stay and pick up 10 frames bees, because if buyer to buy, he must put 5 frames empty more for beehive, and give about 10 days must be give sugar syrup, because inside honeybees fly between start after 5 days and maximum 18, and family stay stabilization. Too many bees fly who is bring honey and nectar, water and bee pollen. Another bees after 12 days coming outside will be stay babysitter inside 18 days, because if you to buy this bees and first moment need give sugar syrup 1 by 1. This is for sample 1 jar, put half sugar and half water, total full. Mix it tablespoon and put inside frames, or put upside down special feeder. Thank you very much. I'm closed. So right now we show how we do nuclear. 5 frames for sale. For sale, if today put special box like this. If today right now 1 frames honey and 4 broods, a total 5 frames. Buyer come in, we close it, enter, close it right here. Only 5 frames. We not for sale nuclear. Only 5. If somebody want for sale nuclear, we do nuclear. Only this will be more expensive, because everybody want cheap. If cheap, come on more nuclear or something box and put inside 5 frames and pay money and buy. Hello beekeepers or everybody. We doing this video for best benefits for everybody. If do you have questions or you like it, this video, please put like, or if do you want put comments, please put comments, no problem. we try answer for you if you have time. And if do you want more, what kind of video do you want more, or what kind of questions, please come in, call, put comments. We try doing for you all good benefits information, how doing money from honey beekeeper, from honey bees, how doing better money, and minimum put work and maximum and pick up from bees. Thank you.